I'm Jo Parker-Swift, CEO of Solivus, and we are the energy behind new generation solar. We're thin film solar specialists, and we're enabling mega buildings and homeowners to decarbonise and save money. And now we're really taking off. There are 2.5 billion square metres of south-facing roof in the UK. If half of these had solar, it would be enough to provide half the UK's electricity needs. So, why aren't more sports stadiums and distribution centres generating solar energy? It's simply because most of these big roofs just can't take the weight of conventional solar. But now Solivus offers a range of lightweight solar solutions that solves this problem.
We have specialist techniques and hold IP for a fixing method that almost halves the installation costs. We also hold exclusive rights to a global, award-winning organic solar fabric by Heliotech.
Trivandi was formed in 2012 after the Olympic Games. We've been working across the whole industry sector in stadiums and arenas. We deliver huge venues, whether it's stadiums, aquatic centres, exhibition centres and so on, and the roofs can't take the weight of the traditional PV panels, and so this is the game changer.
This year our installations have started. We are revenue generating and our pipeline of opportunities has increased from millions to billions in just 1 year. In short, Solivus have unlocked the mega building market.
For the home, we've designed our Solivus Arc. Our beautiful patent-protected solar sculpture is easy to install and can be used to power your home and electric vehicle. It's created using the cleanest solar in the world and is a sustainable alternative or addition to roof-mounted solar panels. And you can take it with you if you move house. We already have deposits paid for orders, and the queue to reserve a Solivus Arc is growing in the UK and in California, where we've recently started advertising. For our future product development roadmap, we have the big brother of the Arc, the Solivus Spider, which is designed to travel. It can be flat packed in under 10 minutes and is perfect for pop-up power. We have grown our team under the impressive leadership of Brian Lynch, who has 25 years experience leading investment bank trading teams, Matt Black, who has financed over 500 megawatts of solar projects, and myself, having previously founded and sold 2 companies before. Solivus have raised £2.6 million to date, and we've doubled our team this year, but we want to scale faster. We plan to use investment raised in this round to at least double our team again to keep up with demand, and to invest more into manufacturing solutions for our Solivus Arcs and our installation fixing product.
My name's Neil McInerney. I'm a private equity investor. I've done about 15 investments over the last 5 years. The reason why I'm backing Solivus is it contains a great combination of financial and green energy skill sets. And if you put all that together, I think Solivus represents a great opportunity to make an investor return over the next 3 to 5 years.
2021 was big. We had our patent granted protecting our Solivus Arc and Spider around the world. And we became revenue generating. Our profile was raised in the press and we were invited to talk at a number of key events. We were selected to take part in Tech Nation 2.0, a government-supported programme designed to fuel the growth of scale-ups and transform societies and economies. As part of this, it was a real honour for me to be invited to speak on a panel at COP26. Our products have kick-started super-scalable markets, enabling the built environment and transport to decarbonise, addressing the biggest causes of climate change. By investing in Solivus, you will be investing in a cleaner world, where stadiums don't just provide us with the entertainment for our lives, but the energy too. Solivus, the energy behind new generation solar.